Ganito ba matulog ang pusa mo? Alamin natin ang ibig sabihin. Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Here are 10 cat sleeping positions and its meaning. Common sleeping position to ng mga pusa ang naka-curl up. Since cats like to be warm, they do this position so that they can retain their body heat. Superman pose, kung saan nakastretch yung arms and legs nila, they are in a relaxed state kapag ganito. Minsan gusto lang nila yung belly nila na nasa hardwood floor or tiles para malamig, or minsan kapag mainit yung blanket or yung floor, dun nila nilalagay. Sleeping on your head, tinuturing nilang parang unan ang inyong muka since malambot ito, and madalas, they just want to be near you at feeling nila safe sila sa ganitong posisyon. On your chest, ibig sabihin nito, they bond to you and madalas ikaw yung favorite person nila, and it may be also soothing sa pusa nyo yung heartbeat nyo. Side sleeping, ibig sabihin komportable lang sila sa inyo dahil naka-expose yung belly nila at yung vital organs, and also mas mabilis sa kanila bumangon sa ganitong posisyon. Contortionist, yung parang nakatwist yung katawan nila. Take note, ang mga katawan ng mga pusa natin is very flexible. Ang mga discs sa spinal column ng ating mga pusa is very elastic, allowing them to twist their body in unusual shapes. And don't worry, ibig sabihin lang nito, very comfy lang sila sa posisyon nila. Kapag exposed naman ang belly ng pusa nyo, ibig sabihin they feel very safe and confident sa inyo. Pero take note, may mga instinct pa rin yan. Kapag nirub mo yung belly nila, bigla kang kakagatin to protect their vital organs. And don't worry, normal lang yun. Sleeping beside you, ibig sabihin, yung pusa nyo, they trust you enough na matulog sila at maging vulnerable beside you. Kapag mata nila half open or open, it means possible nasa REM stage na sila ng sleep nila at malalim na ang tulog nila. When they sleep between your legs, ibig sabihin close na ang feeling ng pusa mo sa'yo at they feel warm and secured dun sa legs mo. Pero kapag may kakaiba na habang natutulog sila, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.